Hello my wisdom freaks, today we will talk about cell division. Cell division is a fundamental process in biology wherein a single cell divides into two or more daughter cells. This intricate process is crucial for growth, development, and the replacement of damaged or worn-out cells in multicellular organisms. There are two main types of cell division, mitosis and meiosis, each serving distinct purposes in different organisms. Mitosis. Mitosis is a type of cell division that occurs in somatic cells, which are non-reproductive cells, and is responsible for growth, tissue repair, and maintenance. The process of mitosis can be divided into several distinct stages. Interphase. Before mitosis begins, the cell undergoes a period of growth and DNA replication known as interphase. During this phase, the cell prepares for division by duplicating its organelles and synthesizing DNA. Prophase. As mitosis initiates, the chromatin, consisting of DNA and proteins, condenses into visible chromosomes. The nuclear envelope disintegrates and spindle fibers begin to form, extending from opposite ends of the cell. Metaphase. The condensed chromosomes align along the equatorial plane of the cell, known as the metaphase plate. The spindle fibers attach to the centromeres of each chromosome, ensuring their proper alignment. Anaphase. During this stage, the paired sister chromatids of each chromosome are pulled apart by the spindle fibers, migrating towards opposite poles of the cell. This separation ensures that each daughter cell receives an identical set of chromosomes. Telophase. As the separated chromosomes reach opposite poles of the cell, a new nuclear envelope forms around each set, marking the conclusion of mitosis. The chromosomes begin to decondense back into chromatin, and the spindle fibers disassemble. Cytokinesis. Following telophase, the cytoplasm of the cell divides through a process called cytokinesis. In animal cells, a cleavage furrow forms, pinching the cell into two daughter cells, each containing a complete set of chromosomes and organelles. In plant cells, a cell plate forms along the equatorial plane, gradually developing into a new cell wall, ultimately dividing the cell into two. Meiosis. Meiosis is a specialized type of cell division that occurs in reproductive cells, specifically in the production of gametes, sperm and eggs, and is essential for sexual reproduction. Unlike mitosis, meiosis involves two consecutive divisions, resulting in the formation of four daughter cells, each containing half the number of chromosomes as the parent cell. The process of meiosis can be summarized into two main stages. Meiosis 1. Prophase 1. Chromosomes condense. Homologous chromosomes pair up and undergo genetic recombination through crossing over, exchanging genetic material. 1. This step increases genetic diversity. 2. Metaphase 1. Paired homologous chromosomes align along the metaphase plate. 3. Anaphase 1. Homologous chromosomes are pulled apart and move to opposite poles of the cell, reducing the chromosome number by half. 4. Telophase 1. Nuclear envelopes reform around the separated chromosomes, and cytokinesis occurs, resulting in two haploid daughter cells. Meiosis 2. 1. Prophase 2. Nuclear envelopes dissolve and spindle fibers form. 2. Metaphase 2. Chromosomes align along the metaphase plate. Anaphase 2. Sister chromatids are separated and pulled to opposite poles of the cell. 4. Telophase 2. Nuclear envelopes reassemble around the separated chromatids and cytokinesis occurs, resulting in 4 haploid daughter cells, each genetically distinct from the parent cell and from each other. Overall, cell division plays a critical role in the growth, development, and reproduction of organisms, ensuring the transmission of genetic material and the perpetuation of life.